Hello and welcome to Shelf Talk, our retail podcast, the channel that dives into the latest trends shaping the future of retail. I'm Kristina Campbell, and today's episode we're exploring one of the most transformative tools in our industry, technology. From harnessing data at scale to driving collaboration and innovation, technology is redefining how retailers operate, connect with suppliers, and serve their customers. Joining us today is Oren Rob, our product marketing specialist in retail technology. Oren, thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks for having me, Christina, and thanks for inviting me to speak about technology. I really think this is a true enabler for retailers to navigate the complexities of today's market and be ahead of the curve.
Okay, so let's jump straight in. A vast amount of data is generated in the industry daily. From customer purchases to inventory levels, it's a treasure trove. But retailers are struggling to make sense of it all. How do retailers unlock the potential of this data through technology?
Well, that's a really good starting point. And you're right, retailers now have easy access to data like never before. But we must remember one thing, that first-party data is only valuable if it's actionable. Let me explain what I mean. So retailers own multiple types of data, but they own two most crucial ones in my view. One is sales data coming in from POS systems or T-log, and the second one is customer data coming in from loyalty program mainly, but T-log provides related information as well. So to your question, Christina, to unlock the true value of their data, I think retailers should be able to connect between the two, meaning between the sales data and customer data. So that on the one hand, they can segment customers and offer the right offers to each segment. And on the other hand, keep tracking and understanding their buying behaviors as they constantly change so they can make assortment, promotions, or supply chain decisions accordingly. And from the technology perspective, unified and scalable platforms that can aggregate and analyze all of this data are key. Within those platforms, advanced analytic tools and AI can process this information in real time. And by integrating customer segmentation inside, they can bring the true added value for effective predictive analytics so retailers can really stay ahead of the curve.
Oren, you mentioned staying ahead of the curve. One of the key elements to retail success has been supply collaboration. How is technology enhancing these partnerships?
Well, absolutely. Technology is a game changer for retailer supplier collaboration. Platforms that can provide shared visibility into sales data, product launches, inventory, and promotional performance allow both parties, the retailers and suppliers, to align their strategies in collaboration. This means much more effective joint business planning sessions that look at the same data and share the same goals. So this kind of collaboration creates a seamless and forecasted supply chain, smarter assortment decisions. It reduces out of stocks or overstocks, and at the end of the day, ensures that the right products are available for the customers when they need it. Um, at the end of the day, it's really about creating a single version of the truth for both retailers and suppliers so they can both trust it and act accordingly.
And that's a perfect segue into my next question. The concept of one single or golden source of truth is often discussed when it comes to data in general, and the retail industry is no exception. Why is it so important, and how can technology bring this to reality for retailers?
Yeah, so the idea of one single version of the truth means that all teams, whether it's marketing, operations, supply chains, etc., they are all working from the same data set. We see it all the time with our customers, where you have inconsistent data in different formats that leads to inefficiencies and misaligned strategies.
Right. So we're talking about sharing and exposing data. With data being so sensitive, how can retailers reduce this challenging risk with the support of technology?
This is perfectly true. Retailers do not wish to expose all of their sales and customer data to suppliers from various reasons, but they also do not want to expose suppliers to their competitors' performance data. So to prevent this from happening, effective user management and security mechanisms come into the game, where granular layers of data can be securely accessed only by the user groups you would like them to. So those user groups can, of course, be internal or external to the organization when it comes to suppliers.
And finally, Oren, for retailers watching today, what's the one piece of advice you'd give to them as they look to embrace technology into their businesses?
Well, that's a great question. I have a few. Um, I would say, first of all, start with a clear goal. Technology for the sake of technology doesn't really work. You need to identify the specific challenges you want to address, whether it's reducing overstock, improving customer loyalty, enhancing promotions efficiency, anything, but just identify it first. Then you need to invest in solutions that align with those goals and that use advanced technologies such as AI and machine learning that don't just present data, but also analyze it in real time to uncover trends, predict demands, and optimize different processes. And here's another recommendation. Don't forget collaboration. Make sure that the technology platform is designed to enhance collaboration with suppliers. This type of seamless communication and shared strategies between retailers and suppliers are both win-win partnerships, and they are key to winning retail, in my opinion.
Thank you so much, Oren, for sharing your insights today. Technology is undoubtedly reshaping retail, and it's exciting to see how it can empower retailers to innovate and thrive. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in to another episode of Shelf Talk. Remember to like, share, and comment. Why not subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can know first when new episodes are uploaded? Until next time, stay innovative.